Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the file and tool you will use to bind threads. Make sure the file path is absolute and permissions allow write access. This prevents permission errors halfway through. Once done, install or open the thread binding utility and confirm it runs. Create a backup copy of the original file now so you can revert instantly if needed. These immediate checks save time later and let you proceed to the first binding operations with confidence and minimal interruption. You now perform the main binding sequence. Open the file in the binding tool and load the thread definitions. Map thread ID to the correct file sections so bindings are deterministic and reversible. Once mapped, run the binding command using explicit flags for mode and safety. Test on a small sample section to confirm behavior. Monitor the tool logs for warnings or conflicts, and verify a checksum or signature for the modified region to ensure integrity before moving to full file binding. You finish by running the full file binding and immediately validating integrity with a checksum and a quick runtime test. Make sure the bound threads behave as expected under normal load. This confirms the binding succeeded. If anything looks off, revert instantly to the backup and compare differences to isolate the fault. Finally, document the exact binding parameters, tool version, and any flags used so you can replicate or troubleshoot later. One tip: if binding fails, recheck permissions, mappings, and compatibility first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.